a good start. I hope I'm not clipping out the mic too much right here. So, hey everybody, welcome to this video. This is going to be a kind of a different video because I want to start doing something a little bit different. And basically, it's going to be more of me talking. So if you can't stand the sound of my voice or my face, the sound of my face, then you should not watch these new episodes. But what I want to do is I want to provide a space for other content. Not other content. That wasn't the right word. Basically, what I want to do is I am trying to have my main videos, my weekly videos, usually on Wednesday. I'm trying to have those more concise and less rambly, maybe, and just kind of more to the point. So that way, whether it's a product review or a build project, it's a little bit shorter and a little bit more on topic and not so much rambling or anything like that. So basically what I wanted to do is have a segment kind of just for rambling, I guess, but not just for rambling. It could be different things. It's an experiment, so I don't know, this might work out, it might not. I might do this every week. I might do it twice a week. I might do it 5 times a week. I might do it once every 2 weeks. The point is, I have no clue. But we're going to try it out. And one of the first things, actually, that I want to do is a Q&A session because, well, one of the things that I want this kind of segment, if you will, one of the things I want this to be is a place for us to be able to kind of have a conversation, a little back and forth. So in the comments of this video, you can talk about stuff because that's what you do in comments. But in the comments, you can comment and let me know, or just ask questions. Talk about bring up different topics to talk about on the next video, and then I can you can respond in the comments, and then I can respond in the next video and kind of get a little bit of a kind of a dialogue going on. Like I said, I have no idea if this is going to turn out well or not, or if you're going to love it or hate it or somewhere in between. That's okay. That is a-okay. And if you don't want to watch these videos, that's totally okay. Let's just give this a shot and see how it goes. So in this video, comment below. What do you want to hear about? What do you want to talk about? What's your deal, man? What kind of questions are you curious about as far as answering them? And hey, calling all new pilots also, definitely want to talk to the new pilots out there. What are some things that you are just like, dude, I am so confused. I am like about to throw my quad and the computer and everything else in the garbage can because I'm so frustrated about this. What are those things that frustrate you? That would be interesting to hear about. And then also, your successes as well. And that's another thing that I want to do is I want to be able to share my successes with you and hopefully give you some inspiration in your flight journey. And and just talk about like just random stuff like, oh, this is what I flew this week, and this is the stuff that I learned. I hope, hopefully, keeping it still with the fun, educational kind of theme of this channel. It's mainly, we're going to keep it on topic, and we're going to keep it fun. We're going to keep it helpful, but maybe not quite as rigid, I guess. Everybody's cool and super relaxed. Super relaxed. I just want to go on the record. Okay. You could say. So we might cover several different topics. Think about it. Think of it as a variety show. Ding, 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 ding. Okay? And how long have I been talking? I think that's about long enough. And by the way, if you're like, wow, he started talking really weirdly, that's just me. That's what happens when I sit down and talk and I have a microphone in front of my face. So it's weird. So all right. So hey, like I said, comment below and let me know what you think of these types of videos. What stuff do you want to cover? And happy flying, and I will see you on the next one. I mean, I won't actually. That's something that bothers me just while we're talking about this stuff. people say like, "What's up?" and they're like, "I'll see you next time," and like, I'm not gonna see you next time because I'm not gonna hack into your computer and use the camera to see you. I won't do that. I don't even know how to do that. And and it's one of those silly things that we say like, "What's up?" and like, you know, I can't hear you. I can't hear anything that you're saying right now. Wait a minute, what? No. I thought I could for a second, but no, I can't. So anyway, sorry. Just anyway, yeah. So sometimes it's gonna. We might just be talking about silly things, and but hopefully you'll at least get a laugh out of it. So have a great day. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will next time. Okay, I missed that one. We'll be right back.